Hello, I'm Mez. If you haven't watched one of my videos before, I have a YouTube channel called Paddypaws Production, where I share my travels and experiences in my Australian-made Winnebago motorhome. If you haven't looked at my channel already, you might like to take a look. If you like what you see, I would love it if you subscribed. Recently, my mum, Janice, and I had a trip from just north of Brisbane in Queensland, Australia, down to the Lake Macquarie region in New South Wales. I decided that we'd have a nice, slow trip so that we could call in at the many interesting little towns along the way. Unfortunately, our holiday did not go to plan. I'll share our unfortunate experience with you in a video. The first place we stopped at was at Hastings Point. Hello, my mum, Janice, and I are back on the road.
We're currently in New South Wales at Hastings Point again. Last time we were here, we loved it so much we thought we'd come back.
If you're planning to holiday in Australia in a campervan, motorhome or caravan, I have several tips for you. If possible, avoid coming during school holidays. Caravan parks are extremely busy during school holiday times, so if you'd like a site, you will need to ring and book in advance. Each of the states in Australia have different holidays, some of them overlap. At these times, the holiday caravan parks increase their prices. My second tip is make sure you have an iPhone where you can access maps. I could not rely on my satellite navigation at all. I had uploaded all the new maps to my satellite navigation before I left on my holiday. It was obvious that the maps still were out of date. It was telling me to turn down streets that weren't even there. When I was on the highway multiple times, it told me to do U-turns. There are some really helpful apps which you can download on your mobile phone. I use the following phone apps to find campsites: Campermate, Wikicamps, and the Campervan and Motorhome Club of Australia app. I also picked up a really helpful book, which was free, from one of the caravan parks in New South Wales, and lists all the caravan parks that are available. Another tip is to make sure you arrive well before sunset. Before we leave Hastings Point, I'll show you around. Our next stop is at Brooms Head. Come and join us there.